y'all. So it is hot outside, and y'all know I love me a short curly wig for the summertime. So this wig is literally about to be a bomb install. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots have already been bleached on this wig. So baby, I already know this install is about to be real nice and easy to install. So one thing that I do want to say already, the lace is not really giving HD, but baby, when I spray this lace down, it is going to blend so good into my skin. So please don't really judge the lace right now because it's really not looking too good, but trust, this wig is going to look so good. So I'm going to do my basic stuff, what I always do. Y'all should know the drill, but in case you're new here and you don't know the drill, what I like to do first is go ahead and press out the hairline, see what I'm working with, and as you can see, the hairline, the lace definitely looks good so far when I pull out some of the baby hairs, but I am going to go ahead and cut some of this lace off so that I know exactly, what I'm working with once I get ready to secure the lace down by using my hairspray. And as you can already see, the meltdown effect has already started. So let me go ahead and do what I do. So yeah, girl, like I said, the lace was definitely a little too light at the beginning, but adding that hairspray definitely helped with blending the lace and making the lace a lot darker. So the roots on this wig is on the thick side, but that's okay because that is what is expected with a curly wig of this texture. So I am going to go in with the hot comb and lightly press out the roots. I don't want my roots to be too pressed out, so I am making sure I don't apply too much heat. But look at how beautiful the hairline on this wig is, y'all. Like, ooh, baby, I know this wig is about to be super laid and super melted. So I am going to be pulling out some baby hairs and do, a 2 or 3 swoopage. I'm just going to be doing 2 baby hairs for real though. I want to do like 2 deep swoops on the side because I feel like with curly hair, you must do baby hairs. Like, I don't want to argue. I really don't. I don't want to do it. You need to have baby hairs on your curly wigs. Like, period. Like, what you doing if you don't have baby hairs on your curly wigs? Like, I feel like it's a must. So anyways, I'm going to be adding um, baby hairs to this curly wig, and I love the length on this wig, by the way. Like, I feel like it's just perfect. It's not in my way, it's not too high, it's just the perfect length. So anyways, it's super easy to get the baby hairs on this wig because the hairline is not super full, so I don't have to go in and do any type of plucking. And then also, I don't know if you guys have watched like my previous wig install videos. I have been um, curling my baby hairs going inward, which makes such a big difference with getting my baby hairs to go in a certain direction. Y'all, makes a huge difference. So if you are struggling with getting your baby hairs to like really lay down or just, not tussle with you, then try to curl your baby hairs going inward, and definitely use a small flat iron because it makes a huge difference. Look at how beautiful and how big and just nice those baby hairs look. Looks so natural, y'all. This wig is already gonna be just bomb. I already know. So anyways, let me finish up with the hairline, and I'll be back as far as like me getting into defining the curls and stuff like that. Oh, y'all, ain't nothing like a beautiful, nice, melted hairline. So now it is time to get into defining these curls and making it look juicy, baby. So I'm not going to wet my hair because it ain't necessary. I'm going to go in with some hair mousse. Now, I do not know which mousse I want to use. I love Lotta Body, but I also love the Cantu mousse. So I don't really know, but I'm going to go for what I know. And one thing I do know is a lot of body will never ever fail me. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to apply this all over like so. And so when it comes to defining my curls, I just prefer mousse because it gets the job done. It does not leave my hair crunchy. It keeps the curls defined. The next day I can just simply spray my hair with water and it's going to definitely activate the curls all over again. And if I decide to go in and like fluff out the curls, it's just going to make the curls like even more voluminous. It's going to make them like even more just beautiful. Like it just like mousse just does something to your curls, period. Like it does something to your curls beyond what cream can do. I'm not lying. Like if you've never tried mousse in your hair for defining your curls, girl, you ain't living. You need to try it. So I apply mousse all over my hair, and I don't like to use water anymore for defining my curls because I feel like it weighs your hair down. You have to wait until the hair dry and fluff the hair back out, and ain't nobody got time for all that. So I just like to go straight in with mousse. Don't even weigh my hair down with water. Just simply define the curls with straight mousse. And y'all, look at how beautiful these curls is. Like, look at that. These curls is just popping, honey. Look at how beautiful they are. So I'm going to just continue activating these curls, honey, and just clipping like some of the little areas that's some of the lengths that is just too long in certain areas or whatnot. I do wish that the length was a little bit longer because of course, you know, once you apply product and the hair dry, the hair does get a little bit shorter. I do wish that the hair was just a little bit longer, but honestly, I mean, I think it's okay, especially for the summertime, because really I'm one of those girls where I don't like for a bunch of hair to be all on my neck and my face and stuff. So I say I want a little bit more length right now, but really, girl, when it gets to be 90 some degrees outside, I will be so thankful for just this short hair, but this bomb ass hairline and this beautiful ass texture. Girl, you cannot tell me this is not my damn hair. This hair is so beautiful. And look at that part. Oh my God. Y'all, look at these damn curls on this wig. This is crazy. This don't even look like a wig. This shit look like my hair. This is crazy. Okay, so this is pretty much what the wig looks like with the mousse being all over and every curl is saturated with the mousse. Look at this part, y'all. This wig, this hairline looks like it is literally growing out of my scalp. I mean, like, just remember how the wig looked at the very beginning where the lace did not even really blend into the skin. And look at how the wig transformed, y'all. So now the wig is pretty much about, I would say 90% dry. So what I want to go ahead and do now is just fluff out the curls and get the wig to look a little bit more bigger because it is kind of on the flat side, or it was on the flat side because I had a lot of mousse on the hair kind of weighing it down. So now I want to kind of start, not kind of, but I want to start fluffing out the hair just to get some volume in this hair. And as you can see, it's definitely like making the wig look a lot more better in my opinion, because y'all know I like big hair. So yeah, girl, duh. But yeah, this is the final look, y'all. This wig is so beautiful. I love the hairline on this wig. If y'all know me, then y'all know I love a curly wig with a beautiful hairline and that a hairline that I can add some baby hairs to. Oh, it's a wrap. It's a go for me. So this wig, my first wig, nailed it. Hairline is beautiful. Curls is absolutely gorgeous. A wig you definitely want to invest in and you would love. So make sure you check out that description bar because this wig is amazing. See y'all in the next video. Bye.